هلا اجا خالد البطل. يتقدم ويتقدم ويتقدم. مسكتك راحت عليه.
يلا خالد
غفلتك ها؟
سنة حلوة يا جميل، سنة حلوة يا جميل، سنة حلوة يا حبيبي، سنة حلوة.
Today they took my son. They who have taken everything else. What could I do with the broken pieces of me now without him? How does the body recover from the crushing of lungs? I know the earth will keep spinning around my ache, ignorant of all that has now changed in my world. He threw stones, they accused. So what? Did they assume he would remain silent in the face of this injustice that screams? Stones or no stones, they take them, usually at night, when no one is around to see. The body refuses to hear what it has always feared. The senses depart, the crumbling of interiors, torn at the seams. What threats will they make to haunt him? What they rob from him I cannot give back, nor kiss away. How will he sleep, my son? How will he rest? Of what will he dream? Exhausted, broken, deliberately, irrevocably broken, old. They will age him. They will use him to break us all. He was calm, neighbor comforted. Strong, another confirmed. Like his father before him. No, he wet himself, Layla cried. He hasn't done that since he was 2. He cried for you, they said. Me? Perhaps he thought I could stop this. Me, a citizen of the helpless, with no fair system to right this wrong. A mother of children robbed of their childhood, with no helping hand to stand up from this dust and darkness. When will he come back? Will he come back? What shall we tell him of the world when he does?